Another thing I have is face wash, and it's Neem and Gotukola.
That's true.
Gotukola, so it's supposed to be specially made for oily skin people only. And even though it's winter and I have kind of dry skin on my T-zone of my face, it still works wonder. And this is like only 100 rupees. So I really enjoyed this one. It smells good, it's handy, and I can normally carry it in my purse, so I really like this one. I mean, I used to carry like that 20 rupees face wash that are available in grocery stores, because I like handy face washes when I'm traveling. But because of this size, I really like it, and it's only like 100 rupees. The quality is great, product is great, it's Ayurvedic. Sorry my voice. It's Ayurvedic, so I'll definitely prefer this one compared to other 20 rupees tiny face washes at the grocery store. But yeah, this face wash and face creams are to die for. I really think it's would be a good investment.